Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone have fine. Okay, so now today we are discuss about advanced feature of Word 2016, chapter 3. Okay, so already chapter 1 and 2 over. Okay, so now today discuss chapter 3, advanced feature of Word 2016. Okay, so Word 2016 is a application software. Okay, already discussed application software. Okay, so header and footer. Okay, so now discuss header and footer. The header is a part of the document. Okay, document, that means this one you can see on my screen. This one called document. Okay, suppose I want to obtain my Word 16, and after you click on, you can see blank document. Okay, so click on this one and you can see new page. New page will appear here. Yes, it's called document, blank document. Okay, so you can also call it new page. Okay, new file. Suppose you can see file option, click on new, like you can see blank document. Okay, so new document or new page. Okay, so the header is a part of the document that appear in the top margin. That means this one actually top margin. This on my margin, yes, page margin. Okay, so this on my page margin, but top margin, that means this one is top margin. Okay, so top margin and footer appear in the bottom margin. Bottom margin, you can see bottom margin, my margin is this one and bottom margin is this one. Okay, okay, so bottom margin and top margin. Okay, so header and footer usually contain additionally information such as page number, date and footnote. Header and footer actually additional information of document. Okay, so text enter in the header or footer appear on each page of the document by default once you have added them to your document. Okay, so create a header or footer. Important topic: how to create a header or footer in a document, Word document. Okay, so remember header and footer. Header, that means top margin of document, it's called header, and footer, bottom margin of document, it's called footer. Okay, so why we are use header and footer in a document? Because additional information of document like a page number, date and footnote or any text information, you can insert it any text, date, page number in your Word document. Okay, so how to create a header or footer in a Word document? So step by step, page number 27, double click anywhere on the top or bottom margin of your document. Double click anywhere on the top or bottom margin of your document. Okay, so I want to use header in my document, so this is my top margin of document. Yes, so double click on my top margin. You can see double click on my top margin. You can see automatically show header option. Yes, and after you can write any information of your document. Suppose I want to write any text, just like a class 6. Okay, so and design here, design your text size, big size, or choose your color, text color. Okay, so you can see class 6. Okay, this my header info, header name actually. Okay, and after you click the cancel this header and footer. Cancel, not a remove. Okay, only cancel. Okay, cancel, but remove. When you remove this header, then you backspace use and remove your header or footer. Okay, but I asked you how to cancel header or footer in your Word document. So you can also use press the escape key, or you can use this one option automatically shows one option. You can see this one option is close header and footer option, or you can use escape key. Suppose I want to use escape key, you can see header and footer option cancel, not remove, only cancel. Okay, so step 2, the header or footer will open and design tab will appear on the right side ribbon. The insert point will appear in the header or footer. Already discussed. Step 3, type the desired information into the header or footer. Okay, and when you are finished, click on header and footer. You can also press escape key. The header or footer text will appear. Yes, this one. Okay, header and footer. Okay, so same process you can also use footer. One document margin is up to here. Yes, so after bottom margin, double click on here and type footer information. Okay, just like a ending page. Okay, and after you close header and footer option, or you can also use escape key. Okay, so same process, escape key, or you can use close and header and footer. So you can see my footer name is ending page and my header name is classic, and you can also change it. Okay, you can also modify header and footer name. Okay, just double click on header option. Okay, same process, just double click on top margin or bottom margin, or double click on header or footer name. Okay, just like this one. Okay, and you can remove header information, or you can also change or modify your information, header information or footer information. Okay, just like a class 6 or section 8 suppose. Okay, and same process, press the escape key or close header and footer. Okay, you can see this on my header information is and this on my footer information. Okay, so header and footer is inserted my document. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Okay, so now same process. Suppose I want to write any text in my document. Suppose classic just example. Okay, not take seriously. Okay, just example, classic ABCD, anyone. Okay, and okay, so after you can see enter, press the enter key, that means next page will come. Okay, you can see next page will come. Yes, next page will come. This one, right? Yes, page 2. You can see page 1. This one my page 1. Okay, and this one my page 2. Okay, so you can see my page 1 and page 2. Page 1 header name is classic section A, same header name of page 2. Yes, classic section A. Same name of page 1, footer name. Yes, ending page, and same footer name of page 2. Yes, ending page. But you can suppose you can change page 2 header name. section A or section B, you can see automatically changes will be changed page number 1 header name. Yes, so I hope you understand. Suppose you change your header name or footer name, then automatically all of pages changes your header and footer name. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, it's called header. You can see it's called header, it's called footer. Just document information. Okay, and next, suppose you can see page number 1. I am to write page 1. You can see same name on my page 2. Yes, you can see page 2, but this one is page 1. Yes, but you can see this one my page 2, but automatically change rename my page, rename my header information. Yes, this one my page 1, but this one my page 2, but automatically you can see when I using when I change header information on my page 1, you can see automatically change page 2 header information. Yes, automatically change page 2 header information. Yes, okay, so how can I use page number on our document using header or footer option? So after I will discuss. Okay, so now now you remember this header and footer. Okay, header and footer. Next, insert a preset header or footer. Insert a preset header or footer. Word has a variety of preset header and footer you can use to enhance your document design and layout. In our example, we will add a preset header to our document. So you can use preset header or footer. Preset header and footer. So same process. Click on insert tab. This called button. You can see home button, insert button, design button, page layout button actually. But you can also call it. This name is actually design tab button. Actually, you can also call button, and you can also call tab. You can see insert tab. This one insert tab. This one design tab, page layout tab, reference tab, mailing tab, review tab, view tab, design tab. Okay, so I want to use preset header or footer in my document. Preset. Okay, so you can first click on insert tab. After you click on header, which you want to use. Suppose header use. Okay, so click on header option and blank C, Aston, bounded or faces, old page, great. You can see motion event page, motion word page. This one is retrospect. Okay, suppose I want to use this one, faces, word page, or this one event page. Okay, so double click on this here. You can see. Yes, you can see page number is automatically generated. Yes, 1 number page, 2 number page. Yes, correct. This one is correct. Page number 1 and page number 2. But you can see some design is automatically generated in my document. Generated in my document. You can see some design. Yes. So it's called automatically header information generated. Automatically header information. You can see, suppose you can also use it motion event page, motion word page, retrospect. Okay, suppose you want to word page, this one just type change. Yes, page number 1, page number 2. This one is correct, but you can see some design is automatically inserted in my document. Yes, same process, footer option. Double click on footer and you can see insert footer option which you want to use. Already use header and now you use footer option. So which you want to use design, suppose this one. I want to use this one integral. Okay, double click on this one. You can see close header and footer. You can see PC. That means actually my computer name actually. Okay, computer name PC. Okay, so automatically generate my PC name. Automatically generate my computer name. So automatically generate my computer name PC name. Okay, so you can see page number 1 and 2, and some design is already some design is automatically inserted. Yes, you can see. So you can see okay. Okay, it's called preset header and footer. Preset header and footer. Okay, so everyone should be underlined insert a preset header or footer. Okay, some steps how you can use header and footer, preset header and footer. How can you use preset header and footer on your document, Word document? Okay, so step by step. First, click on insert tab. Next, which you want to use, choose your option, choose your footer. Okay, choose your footer or header, and next in the menu that appears, select the desired preset and automatically show some menu. Okay, and which you want to use, double click on header or footer option. Okay, header and footer design option. You can see design layout, footer layout. Sorry, header layout. Yes, header layout. Okay, or header design. Okay, and you can see also remove header. You can see remove header. You can see automatically remove my header from my document. Yeah. Okay, so step by step we should everyone should remember. Okay, insert a preset header or footer, and how can you use header or footer in your Word document. Okay, so after we will discuss adding page number. Okay, just like a page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this one. And after inserted date or time, how you can use date and time at a coordinate. Okay, so I hope everyone should underline. I hope everyone should understand. Okay.